welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another eye look tutorial for you guys today. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really smoky liner gold look cut crease. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look right here, then just go ahead and keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is priming my eyes. I like to prime with concealer and then set it in place with translucent powder. For today's palette, I'm using two different palettes. The first one that I'm using is the Colourpop She's a Rainbow, and I'm going into this yellow shade. And I'm just going to be applying this into my crease and winging out that outer corner. And we are doing a cat eye shape, so I'm dragging it out all the way near the tail of my brow, and then I'm grabbing the Violet Voss Matte Vibes palette and I'm grabbing this brown shade with my angled brush, and I'm just starting to apply definition in the center of my crease, once again winging out that outer corner and really mapping out the shape for the future shades that we're going to apply. So next I'm grabbing a small tapered brush and I just mixed those two shades that I just showed on the screen, and I'm just going in left and right motions over top of that line. This is going to give us a really nice gradient, and it's just going to help us diffuse that line, and this way is just a good way in my opinion because you really have control over those browns and they won't get too high up, and also the way that you apply it is super precise, so everything's gonna look really nice and clean. And then I just carved my lid with concealer and I set it with some translucent powder. Next I'm picking up this gold shade from this Kaleidos palette and I'm just applying it all over the lid. You can go ahead and use any gold color that you have in your collection. This was just the closest one to me, and the first one that I thought of was out of this palette, and I also wanted to use the black eyeshadow in this palette, so I just grabbed my pencil brush and I'm just starting to apply this on the outer edge of my eye, and this is going to give us the illusion that we have winged liner, but it's going to be more blown out, more smoky. So I'm grabbing this really small tapered brush and I picked up the dark brown shadow in the Violet Voss Matte Vibes palette, just doing left and right motions over that line, and it just really gave the look a lot more dimension. And then I just peeled off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella Bahama lashes, and the link to our site will always be in the description box down below. And then for my waterline, I grabbed my Urban Decay Lucky Liner and I just popped that in my waterline. And then I'm just grabbing the orange shade in the Violet Voss Matte Vibes palette and I'm just buffing that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm grabbing my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. And then the last step for this look, I'm just grabbing my Pixie by Petra highlight and just applying that to my inner corner. And this is the finished look right here. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!